Naunahan ako guys! Naunahan ako! Happy day! Happy day! She's so happy here. She's so happy. You're so happy, aren't you? Yeah. So happy day. Yun na ba siya? Okay. Gaya-gaya siya kay kuya at saka kay ate. Ito. Here. Go. Artless Glow. Ano yan? Tinted sunscreen from Hamish. Ito yung gamit kong sunscreen. This strip. Ito lang kasi yung dala ko. Let me see. More, please. Okay.
How many minutes?
2 minutes? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Good job, Inday.
9, 10,
Good job.
Wala na lang.
11,
Good job, quiz.
12,
Good job. That's it. Let me see. Done. Good job, kuya. Oh, this set is from Shein, guys. Hindi ko to napakita nung recent Shein haul ko kasi hindi ito kasama dun. Kasama to siya nung mga halter tops. Kasi nung in-order ko yung mga halter tops, ano yun, yung nasa isip ko is pang Bali. So nag-order ako ng mga pang Bali na mga outfits. So ito, at saka yung mga halter tops. So yung haul ko na nakita nyo, wala yun sa plano. Meron kasi akong maraming return from this order. Kaya, napa-order ako ulit. Tapos konti lang kasi yung nakip ko na pang Bali sana. Parang ito lang. Ito lang. And then blush. So yung blush ko nadala is again yung ano lang, BLK na blush. Yung lip tint wala dito, nasa bag ko. Tapos hindi ko na siya na-apply most of the time. So dito sa Bali, hindi ako nagli-lip tint. Masyado. Sobrang dalang na. Alright. And then ito lang yung dala kong perfume. Baby! What happened? Oh, all done? Good job! Well done! So, last day namin today, you guys! Last full day. Tomorrow yung alis natin. Bukas ng umaga yung alis natin. So, mas maaga pa sa ngayon. Like right now, it's 8:37. Bukas, dapat 8:15 or dapat 8. Nandun na kami, nag-check out na kami. Kasi 8:15 yung pick up namin. To go to the airport. Ang bilis! Ang bilis ng panahon. Sabi nga namin ni Dan kahapon, nag-uusap kami about sa holiday. Sabi namin, yeah, parang mabilis siya, but it's enough. Like, kung hahaba pa ng more than 5 days, feeling namin masyado na siyang mahaba para sa amin. That's it. Iba talaga yung lighting dito, but that's it. So, Easter today, Easter Sunday today, meron silang Easter egg hunt dun sa kung saan kami nagbe-breakfast. It's from 10 to 11. So, iniisip ko, punta tayo dun, kain tayo ng mga 9, matatapos tayo ng 10. Tapos, egg hunt na ng mga bata, diba? Para hindi na tayo bumalik dito. So, hindi kami nagmamadali. Alis kami ng, again, mga just before 9 siguro. Tingnan natin yung ating OOTD kung okay ba. Yan yung ating fit. So, set siya. Nagustuhan ko yung top, nagustuhan ko yung cut niya. So, kahit walang set, pwedeng i-pair sa jeans or flowy na pants. Alam mo yun? Ganda, no? Or kahit maong na shorts. Very versatile. Say bye to them. Oh my gosh. Ginaganyan niya yung mga staff. Kaya gustong-gusto siya ng mga staff. Hina-high five niya, tapos binoblow kiss niya. Tapos gumagano siya. Cute-cute niya talaga. So gustong-gusto siya ng mga staff dito. Any milk is fine for you? Ooh, they have fresh milk. Alright. Ooh, yum. Can I get an omelette with everything, please? Yeah. And we're down there near the glass, the second table there with the kids. Yeah, second table. Omelette with everything, and then 2 poached eggs, please. Yeah.
2 poached egg in 1 plate or 2 plates?
1 plate. Yeah, thank you. Ito yung plate ko, guys. Yung beans para kay hati kami di. Wait sa B kay basin mainit. Ang init ng plato. Uy. Yummy! And carrots. Yay! Ayan. Gusto niya yan. Dito na din yung kape namin. You alright, Ayla? The milk? Just milk? Okay, I'll get you milk. When Daddy comes back, okay?
Hello guys. Hello guys. I'm eating breakfast.
Happy day!
Only one eye.
In the swivel there, guys?
Gara si Dean.
On the tray. You see the
Yung
swivel?
turuin yung camera. Happy day, happy day. Tapos biglang di gara. Ah,
You won't be able to see that, because it's like the lady's in the way.
wanna get out?
You see that, Anna? Yeah, Anna can see it.
Let's go? Alright, Daddy will take you out. Dito na yung aking eggs benedict. I know, not benedict. Omelette. Kain. Smile! Smile, Didi!
1, 2, 3.
Dito kami sa play area ni Di. Go, Didi! Siya lang mag-isa. Solong-solo niya. Yung dalawa, nandun na kasi sa kids area, sa kids club. Kasi merong Easter egg hunt ngayon, guys, because it's Easter today. Binabantayan namin kasi gusto namin tumulungan makakuha ng eggs. Sabi namin, walang ibang parents o tulungan natin si Arlo. Si Arlo lang yung tutulungan namin. Para may makuha kahit isa man lang, no? So, inaabangan namin kung kailan sila lalabas doon. Oh, wala na. Sure ball ang itlog ni Dodong. Hey! Hello! Is that your house? Is that your house? How old are you? 3? Look at the cheeky smile. How old are you? Okay. How old are you? Daddy! Oh, my love. Uy! Uy, D1 ka pa lang. Itong batang to, oh. Hindi, you're only 1. You got a house already? Ball! What color? Pink. Pink. Oh, good job! What color? Ah!
Green. Indy.
She knows blue. Where's blue? Pick up blue. Where's blue? Blue. He's looking for blue, Feb. Is there any? Is there any blue one?
Pink.
Ball. What color? Huh? Purple? Blue. I mean pink. Where is Green? Where's Green? Green, where are you? Where's Green? Green, there. There. Go get Green. Here. 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 Hello, here. Green. Nah. What color? Blue. What color is that? This one. Pink? Oh, happy day. I think they're going out now, my love. Yeah. Sige.
Just make sure they're in the shade, make sure they wear their hats as well.
Yan na, lumalabas na yung mga bata. May mga malalaking bata kasi. See, I think Arlo's the smallest there. Pwede kasing iwan dun, basta 3 na. Pwede nang iwan dun. May nahanap na si Aylang isa. Si Arlo din meron. Where's Arlo? Arlo's there with Daddy. Daddy's helping. Come on. Here.
Where's your leader?
Look at Arlo! Yay! Good job, Arlo! Yay! We are back! Si Daddy nagpaiwan dun. Nasa labas lang siya ng kids club, guys. He just wanted to make sure na okay yung mga bata. Before niya iwan. Kasi nakabalik na sila dun sa kids club. Meron pa kasing more egg hunting dun mismo sa loob. Ang tinitingnan namin yung mga bata, wala silang nakuha. Kasi yung ibang mga bata, ang lalaki na. So, syempre, mas mabilis, mas mahaba yung mga kamay. Meron ako nakita sa pot. Tinuro ko kay Arlo. Tapos, pakuha na siya, pa-reach na siya. Kasi nga, maliit siya. Inunahan siya nung malaking bata. Kinuha nung malaking bata, kahit na nakita niya na si Arlo na yung nagre-reach, kinuha niya. Kasi hindi niya binigay kay Arlo, kinuha niya lang for herself. So, alam mo yon. So, nagstay si Dan dun just in case may tantrums na mangyari. At least nandun siya, pwede niyang iuwi. Patulugin ko si Day because I need to go back to the photo studio in 30 minutes. So, 11:30 yung appointment namin to go through the photos and to select the photos. So patulugin ko muna to. Matutulog to agad kasi pagod na pagod to. Nag-egg hunting din siya. Sumali din siya. We're actually glad na ginawa nila sa labas ng kids club yung main egg hunting. Kasi nakasali si Indy kahit papano. So, it was fun. Alright, let's go. On the bed. Come on. Yeah,
Soft light falls in quiet sand. You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin.
Lay down.
Something was spoken.
Yay. Lay down. On the bed, lay down.
Will you let me in? You and I will always have that one night. Come morning light, we'll always have that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise. Daybreak, shadows fade. You step back, I step away. Nothing's broken, nothing new. Only the sunrise. Over you and I will always have that one night. Come
let's go to the photo studio. Sana hindi tayo mahirapan pumili, guys. Ang daming clicks ni Kuya kahapon. We have free 5 photos, tapos 15-second video.
We'll always have that sunrise. I don't wanna leave. I don't wanna
Beach looks good.
just for a moment be close to you.
Where are we going?
We're just stopping here and we're going back to our room. The west side. Dito kami sa Baguio. We're having a tour. So nakapili na ako ng photos. 5 lang talaga yung pinili ko. Tapos may video din. While pumipili ako ng photo doon, nag-text sila sa akin na gusto na nitong umuwi. So, in the middle of selecting photos, kinuha ko siya. And sumama siya sa akin pili ng photos kasi hindi pa ako tapos, nag-text na sila na ano, gusto na niya daw umuwi. But yeah, I did it, guys. My gosh, there were 160 photos. 160. Oh, ang ganda ng beach. Oh, that looks nice. See, hindi pa kami nakapunta dito. Alis na kami bukas. That looks beautiful. Look at that, ate. There's a squirrel there on the tree.
Is the last
Yeah.
bag is stopping for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I really want to sit on the back.
Do you? Do you wanna move at the back? We'll ask him. O diba, nagpalipat pa kami sa likod. Hindi namin pinadiretso si Kuya. Sabi namin, pwede ka mag-tour muna para makita namin yung beach. Kasi ang init nito lakarin, but ang ganda.
Through the morning.
So, afternoon na. The beach looks beautiful.
It's the grass in the beach.
I think so.
I want to go to the beach and find some cactus.
You can go there. Just here, please. You say love. Yes, please. Thank you.
Can I open this one?
Yep. Come on, jump off. Isa ito, Kuya. Thank you. Bye. Say, look, guys. What is it?
Down.
Dad? Ate?
I did.
Ate. Say thank you to ate, go. Say thank you, ate. Give ate a big hug. Mag-ready lang ako guys kasi meron akong massage today. Ang ingay ng barel. So kahapon yung massage ni Dan, ngayon yung akin. Siyempre hindi namin ma-schedule together because we have to look after our kiddos. Okay na sana si Arlo at saka si Ayla kasi pwede na sila sa kids club, pwede na sila iwan dun. Pero si Indy hindi pa kasi pwede iwan kasi wala pa siyang 3. Wala pa nga siyang 2. 1 pa lang siya. Dito na naman siya. Pupunta na naman. Who's this? Ah, si Arlo pala. Yan yung laro nila yung daddy. Baril-barilan. I still have this here. Do they need more of this? I have it in my bag.
What is it?
The Oreos. Nagbabay na ako sa kanila eh. Pero maya pa ako alis guys kasi it's only 1:31. Ay yeah. So, 5 photos yung pinili ko. Ayan agad yung isa. Ang cute namin dyan. Dun sa swing. Pero alam nyo ba, hindi nila sinend yung video. Alam ko na pagdating ko doon, itatry nilang ibenta sa akin yung ibang photos. Kasi yung included lang naman is 5 photos, tapos free 15-second video. Yung inisip ko, sana maganda yung video para makuha ko siya for our intro. Sana ba? Yun yung inisip ko. Kaya namin siya ginawa. Kasi yung intro ko ngayon, very simpulan lang, mga photos lang. Pero this time, sabi ko talaga, mindset ko is 5 photos lang talaga. Kasi ang dami kong pictures sa phone ko na hindi ko na-upload. Alam mo yun, anong gagawin ko sa more photos na naman. Pagdating ko doon, feeling ko siya yung may-ari ng studio talaga. O siya talaga yung nag-upo sa akin doon. And ang ganda ng pagkasabi niya, oh, your family photos are lovely, like your kids are so cute. Alam mo yun, like, lahat ng compliments binigay niya sa mga photos daw namin na I'm pretty sure hindi niya pa nakita. Kasi ang daming hindi okay doon. Umupo na kami, tapos sabi niya, 160 photos. Yun na, nag-start na yung pagbenta niya sa akin. So, sinabi niya sa akin, usually magbabayad ka ng ganitong halaga for like an extra photo. But we have a promo now. Ha? May promo daw sila. I can send you all the photos, 160 guys. Ang dami na niya. Sabi ko yung memory, yung nasa isip ko yung memory. Hindi kaya ng memory ko. Hindi kaya ng memory ng phone ko, alam mo yun? And ayokong mag-store ng photo somewhere. Gusto ko sa phone ko siya para mabalikan ko siya, di ba? Nag-mention siya ng oh my gosh, milyones na kasi, ang laki kasi ng pera dito. So, instead of like, how many million, ganito na lang siya, like, 6 million, something, 6 million. Basta yung total is 600 plus Australian dollars. 600 plus for 160 photos and an album. Meron siyang ibibigay na album, tapos pipili ng 50 photos na ipiprint dun sa album, tapos ipapasend daw sa amin sa Australia. 600 plus. Sabi ko, ayoko. Kasi sabi ko, pipili ako ng 50 photos. I don't think so. Sabi ko, no, that's alright. Tapos tinry niyang i-sell sa akin yung, if you want extra 20 photos, we have a promo na naman na makaka-free ka ng, I don't remember the details, guys. Basta sinabi niya sa akin yung mga promotion nila. And I said no to the promos na naman. Kasi ngayon iniisip ko, not enough memory. Not enough memory. And ayoko ang daming photos. Kasi ang dami ko ng photos na hindi ko na-upload, hindi ko man lang matingnan minsan. Gusto ko 5 lang. Kahit nga isang family photo lang, okay na ako. Kasi yun yung nagsastruggle kami sa family photo. So, nagtingin na kami ng photos kasi sabi ko sa kanya no. So, nagtingin na kami. First photo, ang ganda agad. Ang ganda agad ng bungad. Tapos, ang dami ko ng no after kasi ang daming nakapikit. Kasi ang dami namin, di ba, 5. So, may isang nakapikit, may isang hindi nakatingin. So, ang dami kong no, na parang iniisip niya, parang wala ako, hindi ko ito mabibentahan ng pictures talaga. Nagbago yung mood niya. Hindi na siya okay. Alam mo yun, like, kasi alam na niya na, wala talaga akong mapapala dito. Nagbago na yung mood niya hanggang sa nakapili na ako ng 5. And I was quick, you guys. Hindi ako like, pwede balikan natin. Hindi ako ganun. Like, delete. Hanggang sa, we were down to 20 photos. Kasi sabi niya, we can put it on maybe. So, we were down on 20. Tapos, sabi ko, that's fine. Like, I can narrow it down. So, again, delete. Hanggang sa naging, 16 ata yun. Or 11, I think 11. Tapos sabi niya, oh, may promo kami. If you purchase 10 photos, you have 1. Eh, inisip ko, meron kaming libreng 5 eh. So, bakit ko babayaran yung 10? Eh, 11 na lang yung natira. Yun yung naalala ko na last hirit niya na gusto niya nga akong pabayarin. Sabi ko, no, that's fine. I'll get rid of 6. So, I got rid of 6 and I'm down to 5. Doon na talaga. Ayaw na niya talaga ako. Parang ayaw na niya ako asikasuhin. Sabi niya, okay, put your email here. Are you sure? Because it will be deleted forever. Sabi ko, yes, I'm sure. Thank you. Tapos pina-enter niya yung email ko. Tapos parang 3 beses kong tinanong yung video. Sabi ko, will the video be included? Sabi niya, yes. And then, chinek ko yung email ko. Sabi ko, the video will be sent to the email as well. Sabi niya, yeah, you will receive it in 10 minutes. Like, umalis na ako. Kasi kasama ko na sa island nun. Umalis na ako. Tapos wala man lang thank you. Alam mo yun, na parang na-receive ko yung photos. Nandito na ako sa room. Kasi wala akong wifi dun. And walang video. Yung 5 photos lang. So, nag-reply ako sa email. Sabi ko, can you please send the video? Hindi pa sila nagre-reply. So, babalikan ko mamaya. Tatanungin ko. Kasi yun yung nasa voucher. Look at the voucher, guys. 2 pa nga tong vouchers namin eh. Receive 5 electronic photos and a 15-second short video for free. Nasa voucher yan. 2 pa yung voucher namin. 5 photos lang yung kinuha ko. Dapat pala 10, di ba? Yeah. Kaloka yun. Yeah, feeling ko 10. Kasi tig-isa kami ni Dan. Feeling ko, I don't know. Hala, ang ingay ng batang bael! Bael! Batang bael! Maingay ang batang bael! Anyway, punta akong massage, you guys. It is a 30-minute massage. Ito yun, again, free with Luxury Escapes na booking namin. Like, ito, oh, gusto ko dito at saka dito na area. Neck, back. Ito yung gamit na gamit sa aking, sa aking lifting kids, you know. Alright. Magsisneak out na ako soon. Sana hindi ako maligaw. Naliligaw ako, guys, sa resort. Para naman talagang lumilibot sa resort. Dito sa bandang area lang namin, naliligaw ako. Tawa ako ng tawa kasi mas alam pa ni Ayla kung saan pumunta kaysa sa akin. That looks nice. Tapos na ako, guys. Oh, that was so good. Sa likod yung focus eh. So, ang sarap sa likod. Thank you, ate. So, relaxing muna ako dito sa labas. Let's go to the pool. Let's go to the pool. Last swimming, guys. Last swimming. Uwi na tayo bukas. Nasuot ko na finally yung binili ko sa Target. Binili ko to for Philippines. Hindi ko nasuot sa Philippines at all. Or yeah? Wait, so I'm trying to remember. Sa pang Pinas ko ba to binili? Or
What?
this one? The swimwear. I'm not sure if I got it for Philippines. Because this is my first time wearing it. Basta sa Target ko to siya nabili. Dito na kami sa pool. Ang ganda ng ano namin. Table. Malapit sa bar. Tapos malapit dito. Yes? You have size? We'll try strawberry. Yeah. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Hello! Tingnan nyo to, walang mga vest. Mga batang bael.
Come on, look what I can do.
I know. Good job. Wow. Pati si Indy walang vest, oh. Hello, well done.
Mom, look.
You can't reach, can you?
Yeah, we can't.
Good job, guys.
Swim.
You can swim. Oy, Ayla. Not too far, Ayla. Come back. Good job, guys. Oh my gosh, well done, Ayla. We got our food. Guys, nachos. May nachos sila dito. So, dito kami katabi ng pool and pwede ka mag-order. Meron silang menu, oh. Ay, hindi pa namin nakita sa ibang restaurants. Itong mga batang to, walang vest. Ayla, Alo, come up now. Come on. Ayla, I said come up now. Come up. Food.
Come on, eat.
Huh? Arlo, come on. Here. Stay here.
Mom, can I have Coca-Cola?
If you eat your food, finish your food first.
That one I'm thirsty.
Aldo. Eat your food.
Come on.
Come on, Aldo. Eat your food. Sit here.
Have a nugget each for now. How's your... Oh my... It's all gone. How's your roll?
Alright.
Huh?
It's my nugget.
Nuggets
Where's
there.
my nugget?
Here. Here. Grab.
Nah, because I'm going to get chicken asante, bao buns.
If you don't listen, we're going back. Finish your food and then you can go there. What? Guys, nag-order kami ng chicken satays and look at that, kaitsura yan nung ano, yung street food nila na in-order namin sa gilid-gilid. Gustong gusto ko yan. Pero pork yung gusto ko. Tas, it reminds me of puso. Oh. You don't like it? Naubos ko na yung nachos. Nachos is good. You don't like it? Is it spicy? It's not spicy. Is it, Ayla?
No.
It makes my tongue water.
That's good. That's yummy. Not the stick.
I need
Iba
tongue.
yung lasa. Magkaitsura lang pero iba yung lasa. The rice is good.
We just want to open me to have some corn.
Oh wow. Don't dip in that. Really spicy.
Yeah. You can have those, Raz. I'm not fussed. Right.
Hi guys.
Say hello.
Hi guys. Now I'm doing a vlog and I can show you the cool things I can do for you. I can always show you guys the cool. Let me show you. Hold it, let me show you. Dinner. I'm not wearing back jacket.
Okay, hi guys. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Say happy day.
Hello. Hello.
Ready, set, go. Don't swim to me, swim to the edge. Alright, hold on. Alright, wait there, wait there. Hold on, wait there until I get back. Set, go. Keep going.
guys. Nakaligo na kami. Nakabihis na. Last gala. Gagala kami guys. Iiwan ko kayo. Gusto kong namnamin lang yung galang to. Wow, parang saan pupunta? Punta lang kami sa Bali Collection. Maglalakad-lakad lang kami doon. So, iwan ko kayo dito. And you might get a haul kung may mabili tayo. Kung wala tayong mabili, okay lang din. I'm not planning to buy anything, but see you guys later. Stay still, stay still. We are back, you guys. Ang dami pa namin pera natira doon. Si Dan kasi, yung winidraw namin, 2.5M. So, mga 250. Or more nga, siguro mga 280 siguro yun. So, ngayon, ang dami pa nating pera. As in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Mama,
600,000.
can I try something? Mom, look.
Actually, makain naman tayo sa airport.
Here
600,
you go.
700,000. Yeah.
Where are you?
Yeah. 40, 700,000, 40.
759.
700,000. Yeah, marami pa tayong pera. That's okay.
I mean, there's some slime. I think it's one.
Sa airport na lang to bukas.
Oh, there is one over there on the wheel. Oh, over there. No, let's see it.
Kasi hindi na ako magbe-breakfast dito. Baka si Dan gumising ng maaga para mag-breakfast, pero ako hindi na ako magbe-breakfast. I-pack na natin yung mga pwede na nating i-pack,
I
guys.
see monster. I mean, there's this
So,
one.
napack ko na kagabi pa yung iba. Like, yung mga dirty clothes namin. Napack ko na. So, ito puno na to. Yan yung mga clean clothes na natira. So, nilagay ko lang sa packing cube. So, ang dami pa nating space.
This want to eat. This want to eat.
Wow.
This want to eat Batman.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Look at this girl. Sus, kakanaog na talaga to sa
And then Batman
chair.
need to be a
Akyat baba. Ang ulo mo, day. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, sus. Pagkabukula, unta ni mo, day.
71.
Yeah, just leave it charging, ate. Is it charging? May nabili kaming konti lang. So, bumili ako ng dalawang polo hats para kay Michelle at saka kay Miss. Ayan, binilan ko sila, guys. Doon namin binili sa Sogo. Sogo X yung mall. Doon sa Bali Collection. So, para sa dalawa yan. And then, wala ako masyadong nabiling pagkain. Ito lang binili ko. Ang tawag dito, cornic. Hindi ko alam kung masarap. And then I got this one. Pinili ko lang yung pinakamahal na nakita ko dun. Sana masarap. Nakita ko yung gusto ko na nuts last time. Kaya lang, naalala ko kasi last time, parang ang tigas-tigas nun. Naghanap ako ng malaki nun. Walang malaki. Maliliit kasi siya. Hindi naman ang tigas-tigas. Parang natigasan lang ako last time. So, hindi ko na siya binili ulit. Ito na try natin. Tigisa lang kasi hindi ako sure kung masarap.
And break.
Tapos wala na akong time mag-try eh. And then, bumili lang kami nito para sa airport naman to. Kasi nung papunta kami dito, bumili kami ng Pringles. Kasi yung mga bata nag-request. So, pang airport yun. And yun lang. Yun lang yung binili namin, guys. Kaya marami pa tayong cash na natira.